Hi guys, my name is Oscar, and today I'm gonna teach you how to, like, if you have a hiccup, and how to get rid of the hiccups. So if you have really a hiccup, what you're gonna do is okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna not breathe, cover your nose, and then you're gonna cover your nose and your mouth and start to swallow your slivers. It kind of look like this. Yeah, we're getting like very hard to hear, and then yeah, hiccups will you will get rid of the hiccups. If you don't, then keep doing it. Subscribe, like, and add your favorites. Bye.